this video will be answering a question: how do I blow dry my hair? So I'll be reviewing these two. This is my preferred. This is by Revlon. You can get it on Amazon. It's about $32. And it's very, very easy to use. But if you don't have this one, I'll be showing you how you can use this as well to blow dry your hair. This is just an attachment. So I'm sure most people have this at home. Hopefully you've got this as well. So my hair has just been washed and I have some leave-in conditioner in it. I like to work in sections. It's just easier for me. Okay. I'll be using this to start with. So this is the side done. Again, my hair is not very dense, so it doesn't take me that long to blow dry my hair using a Revlon brush. So we're going to put this away and then go on the other side, and I'm going to show you how you can do a tension method. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I had this one on this side and this on this side. I definitely like and enjoy using this. Alright guys, so that's it for that video. That was just a short video that I moved from my Instagram to YouTube because someone had asked on this platform how I stretch my hair. So yes, the Revlon is definitely my preferred method to use. It is super convenient, so I enjoy using this. Oh. Sorry, I was about to fall off my seat. Okay, yeah, so this is my preferred method for sure. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick yours up from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. Also, I sometimes air dry my hair using twists. So I may just flat twist, do 2 flat twists going back and let my hair air dry in that. Or I may do banding method where I just put my hair in ponytails and then I just put, stretch it out with ponytails. If you'd like to see a video on how to stretch out your hair without using heat, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to do a video for you guys in the near future. So that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to share, to like this video so you can see more content like this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos every single week. Until my next video, bye guys.